How to fix not getting notifications on Discord on your mobile device. First, you'll need to open up Discord and then click on your profile and click and hold on your profile logo, and then make sure to set your online status to online. This is very important because the do not disturb seems to suppress notifications. Next, you will need to click on the settings wheel on the top right and then scroll down to notifications, and then make sure get notifications within Discord is enabled. You can also enable notify on every new message in conversations. You can check this if you want to receive notifications about that. And then you will need to click under system notification, click on get notifications outside of Discord. This should open up the app information. Now from here, click on notifications and make sure it's enabled. So show notifications is enabled, and then notification spotlight. Make sure nothing is being disabled from the phone settings, especially under the social category where it shows notifications about direct messages and friend requests. And once you've checked everything is enabled, now you will need to either close Discord or click on force stop here to stop Discord. And then you will need to basically run Discord again by clicking on Discord to open it up. And now you should be able to receive notifications about messages and stuff like that if someone sends you a message or mentions you or any other activity on Discord. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.